22 साल से झेल रहे हैं हम, मर रहे हैं हम, कैंसर से हम मर रहे हैं।
Let's talk about the biggest lie in the name of pollution control. The BJP government says it wants to fight pollution, but in reality, it is forcing entire region of India to breathe cancer-causing air in the name of clean fuel. In Bernihat, a village on the Meghalaya-Assam border, the government has allowed ethanol factories to operate, and the smoke from these factories has pushed pollution to extreme level. The World Health Organization's guideline for safe annual PM 2.5 is just 5 microgram per cubic metric. In Bernihat, it is around 128, almost 25 times higher. In simple terms, if 5 is already considered dangerous by WHO, then 128 is a death trap. Recently, a journalist went to Bernihat to report on the pollution from these ethanol plants, but security guards tried to block his way and intimidate him. Even with this pressure, he managed to capture images and videos showing thick black smoke, dust settling on houses and trees, and an environment that looks more like an industrial dumping ground than a green village. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari is already talking about moving from E20 fuel to E85 and E100. If this is the condition around ethanol production at E20 stage, imagine what will happen when country is pushed towards E85 and E100 without fixing the pollution from these factories. At a time when India is facing serious water stress and many regions are struggling for drinking water, for every liter of ethanol that is produced, 10,000 liters of water are used. Put all this together and the picture is clear. The government's ethanol story is not just about cleaner fuel in vehicles. It's about polluting the air, looting ordinary people, and pushing policies that favor business interests close to Nitin Gadkari's family.